Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to create Google Meet link. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Google Meet link, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your browser, select any browser you like and after opening up your browser in search bar search for create Google Meet link. And after searching for that you'll come up to this page. From here you just have to tap on this option. And after tapping on that, now you can just simply create a link. So in order to create a link, first you have to start a meeting. After tapping on start a meeting, now you can just simply start a meeting or you can schedule your meeting. So just simply select any one of this option. I'll just simply tap on start a meeting. And after doing that, now you can see guys the following link has been created. Now what you have to do is just simply copy the link from here. So after copying that link, just simply open up a new tab. And after opening up a new tab now, in search bar you just have to paste it. And after pasting that, just search for the following link and it will direct you to this meeting and you can join it from here. So from here what you can do is just simply tap on join and after tapping on join you will successfully join your meeting. So that's it guys, this is how to create Google Meeting link. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.